So is it not important if you say something like this, within 15 days it's settled, you're in or you're out, one of these things must happen to them. So if you do hasten the judiciary, then some injustice will happen. The problem is we will debate this injustice endlessly. I'm saying, if you want some solutions, you must be willing for some injustice. Somebody has committed a rape or a murder, that's a different thing, you deal with that differently. Now you and me have a little dispute with this property. I think this 2 inches of this chair belongs to me, you think 4 inches of my chair belongs to you. This is property, all right? If some quick decision happens, maybe I will lose 1 inch, but I can go on with my life, you can go on with your life. The injustice is both of us cannot go on with our damn life and these inches are never settled. Even if you fall dead, it is not settled. Your children will continue with the same stupid case. This is injustice, isn't it? I lost 1 inch of my land. It is not great injustice. I lost my bloody life sitting at the court. That's injustice, isn't it? That injustice is happening large scale. I think it needs a serious overhaul, except for those cases which are, as I said, rape, murder, treason, whatever, those kind of things, you leave very serious ones. For all others, responsible citizens in the country should be set up as jury. In Bangalore city, if you set up 1,000 sets of jury, 1,000 sets of jury, I'm saying, of 5 people or 10 people or something like this, I'm saying if these 2 people have a property dispute, if we make you the jury, will you be unfair to them or according to your intelligence and judgment, will you say something fair? If we don't do this and a property dispute is debated and discussed and hearing after hearing, hearing after hearing for 25 years, it's just ridiculous, it's nonsense. You're just killing the people because people, if they get into some trouble, if they go to the court, they did not come out of trouble, they got into more trouble, isn't it? If you somehow stay out of the court, you are a blessed being. If you get into the court, you had it. And some people have become experts. They have a battery of lawyers, they're busy all the time filing cases on everybody because they just enjoy this drama. But anybody who wants to get on with their life, they want to do business or sport or spiritual process or whatever, they don't want this rubbish, isn't it? And it is those people who build a nation, not the people who create, who enjoy dispute. Those who invest in disputes are not people who build the nation. Those who are looking for solutions are the people who build the nation.